Bit of a power move, everybody, to think about is using the slicer to force a change of filament operation to run. G-code is like a language, right? It has a series of instructions built into it, and so there's an instruction for telling the printers to go stop, pause, move away from the print, beep until someone changes filament. And that enables you to do crazy cool stuff. The most simple of which is just changing color. Say I wanted the legs on this print to be a different color, or maybe even the first layer, which could make it stand out slightly more. I specify at what point I want that to change color, and that layer will then change, do a change request on the printer. The first layer, I'll use the legs as an example, the first layer that it prints, which is that one, 108, you can see in brackets just there, I press the plus button on, and so at layer 108, before it starts printing, it will ask for a filament color change. And you can see that identified with the two colors visually on the screen. You can use this, like I said, simply to change the color of the filament, make text stand out on the top surface or the bottom, for example. You can also use this to embed hardware into your products. Students have been experimenting with hinge rods and hinge pins, magnets, hexagonal bolts, and also hex screws as well. So you can do a range of different things using this technique because it pauses the print, allows you to insert the hardware, and then it keeps printing over the top. So if there's a cavity for a hex bolt, for example, you stop it at the first layer, it would print over the top of the hole, and then when it's paused, push in the hex bolt, change the filament without actually changing the filament. You just swap them in and out with the same color, and then keep printing, and it keeps going above that, which, if you've designed it correctly, enables you to screw straight through the material into a metal threaded bolt, which is awesome. Lots of interesting applications with that little technique. Thanks for watching.